Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a mixture, a merging of the Odd One Out and Grimace, okay? We're gonna go through it step by step, so let's hop right into the lesson right now. Okay, let's go over here and mixture between the Odd One Out and Grimace. All right, Odd One Out's a really famous YouTuber I used to watch. I still watch too. So let's go into it to see a merging of these two. Follow along with me if you can. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the main portion, probably the Odd One Out. For sure, I was gonna say the head. Curve right here. And I'm gonna draw more of a circle shape from the top. And honestly, I'm just going to make it an exact circle because I think it's kind of integral to the design. Right on. I'm going to draw a dot because that is a very odd one out, would be the dot for the eye. And dot for the eye over here as well. Smile here. Curve down like a U shape to give them like a kind of a snarky expression. I like that. Line over here. So far, everything's been odd one out. I'm gonna fill in the dark space of the mouth, so you see the back. It's kind of like obviously the back of the mouth right there. Let's go over here to the top. Now this is Grimace, the big eyebrows. And I want to make this one a little bit curved. So it looks kind of like, huh. I like that. But that's Grimace eyebrows right there. See a line underneath. And now we're going to draw Grimace's body, pretty much. Line down. Line over here, because Grimace's body is pretty much like what? Like a Christmas tree. That's what it reminds me of. Curve in. Go over here. Curve in. Like so. So far, so good. Going over here on this side. Curve here for one arm. And curve here for the other side of the arm. That's going to be more odd one out right there. I want to throw his hand with no fingers. That's a very odd one out as well. Curve right here, and then that hand at the end and pull back right there. So far as everything is very odd one out. Let's go over here now. Up, across, down, out, up for the shake. We got to draw the shake right there. Out over here, up, across, down there, and then line up, across, down. It's like these little rectangles, reality, but you're drawing the top of the shake, the straw, right? Maybe some line over here, maybe some line on the actual Grimace shake, right? So far, we're doing great. And let's go down to the feet. Down over here, usually Grimace has them kind of stuck together. That's a very Grimace thing to have them like, outward like that. And I'm going to draw, I guess the feet are going to look almost the same, pretty much. Curve right there. Like odd one out's feet are the same as Grimace, to me at least. Like maybe Grimace's are a little bit bigger, but I would say just kind of keep on that road right there. Something we can add to it, we can draw a thicker line on the outside to make it look more like a sticker. It gives it that illusion. Like so. Curve right here. Pulling up over here. Curve here. All right. Still continue to go. Gonna continue this line over here at the top. And don't forget to hit the like and hit the subscribe. If you think this character looks cute, by the way, there's a cute drawing ebook that I used to sell. It was, you know, I used to sell it for, I think, like 20. And it would be this way that you could take anything you want and cutify it, right? You can make this in a cute form. So if you have like a character that you like, or even just like a character you see on TV, you can make that cute. How do you do that? It's proportion, right? Is it big eyes? Is it, bigger head compared to the body? All that stuff is there. It is in a chart, right? All of this stuff was within a chart. Like it is set up for you, and it's set up for you to just look at. And so you know that knowledge, and then right off the bat, you'll know it. And that's the cool part. And if you know it, you'll never forget it. Honestly, you really won't. It's super simple, and 90% of people that draw cute do it this way, whether it be chibi or not. And I kind of go over that. So normally it was 20 before, but now it is 100 straight up free. Like it's straight up free. Now it's just a gift on the channel because I thought you guys are cool. So definitely pick that up now because it's free for the moment. I don't know how long it's going to be free, but it is free right now. And the link is in the description if you can find it. That's the only catch. You have to find that free link in the description there. It is a cute drawing ebook that I think is the best thing I've ever made, honestly. All right. So we have the bold line around that as well. If you want to add a couple little things, we can. So something you could add is maybe you could add him like standing on a background right here, even though that's neither here nor there, but just to kind of give it a little bit of grounding, a little bit of realism. You don't have to do this part at all, but it is something that is bonus. You could draw a line here on the corner, line here on the corner, maybe a line right there. We're drawing these thin little lines right there. See these lines? They're meant for a design element to give it, I don't know, a more attractive look overall in design. And you can place those in maybe certain areas, usually corners or rounded areas. It doesn't have to be everywhere because if you overdo it, it might be a little too much. But there's clearly a lot of stuff you can do with that. But otherwise, share the video if you enjoy it. Think of 2 other mixtures and I'll make them happen. You got to tell me 2 characters that you want to see merged into one, and I will totally do it. Also, if this is easy enough for you, please hit that like. The next thing I want you to pay attention to is I want you to pay attention to kind of the, basically I want you to pay attention to the next few weeks. I'm going to try to post more weekend videos, but I need your guys' feedback on that. I need you to say, hey, how's it going? Or, even if you just say hi, it doesn't have to be prolific, or just say, hey, I want more of this, and I will make more of that. It only takes 1 comment, honestly. Let's just say 200 people watch the video or 1,000 people watch the video and only 2 comments are there. I'm going to listen to those 2 comments. So absolutely comment, because it makes a huge difference. I want you to stick around right now and do another video with me. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.